And now episode 3, as I mentioned, engine teardown day. Welcome to the video, Sadie Bug. Are you Buck Jones?
Yeah. But can you get this?
Everybody's watching your naked butt on TV right now.
Wait, you're actually putting this on video?
Yeah.
And sending it?
Yeah.
Please don't send it.
Okay.
Please hang up and try again.
Ladies and gents, welcome back. Episode 3. So as you can see in the background behind me, I got a stinky coolant / burnt oil smelling 5.3 short block hanging out. So you can probably imagine that today's engine teardown day. Now a quick little recap for you. Episode 1, we introduced this little 2004 GMC short box to the garage. Episode 2, we pulled the engine. Now, I'll give you a link up here for those of you that want to go back and check that out, get caught up. And today, I'm going to show you how we got this 5.3 down to the short block that you see behind me. So, stay tuned. Let's get at her.
Traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer.
Thanks very much for watching, guys. As always, questions and comments are always welcomed. Please hit me up in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Till the next video, bye for now.